what I have here, I've set up like a rain catcher. Now, I used to use just an old-fashioned garbage can, you can see right here, and then I had a spout on it, but this thing is very flexible. It fell down on me a couple times, and it doesn't have an upper drainage port. I was gonna put one in it, but I decided to go ahead and pick up one of these. Let me just show you everything I had to do with this. Number one, it is very durable. This thing is rotomolded, and it's super strong. It looks very well made. They just cut the top out right here. Now, what you're gonna do is, oh, by the way, here's all of the warranty information. You can see this is the one I have, the 55-gallon flat back barrel, and it came from RTS Home. So the instructions have you put the plastic water spigot on here. You're gonna use the supplied thread tape, and you're just gonna thread this thing in right here. It was very simple. You could probably use a wrench, but I wouldn't because it's plastic on plastic. I just basically hand tightened it down, and it was completely fine. And what else you get with it is this kind of like catcher screen right here, 2 screws, and a plastic lock nut and hose barb, which is this right here. And the reason you'd have this is there's a flat spot right here. You would use a 1-inch spade bit, drill in right there, and I'm gonna actually have it come out like this and a hose go down. Now I'm gonna have to go ahead and get me a hose. I don't have that with me. You can see here's the hose kit, but I'm just gonna get my own hose, and it was very simple to set up, everybody. You can see how all that is right there. This thing has a overflow spigot right here. That's what I like is, so when it gets to, if it's raining a lot, it'll squirt out right there. I ran one of these little Flexzilla hoses, a shorty right there. This worked fine. I don't see any problems with that at all. This is a spin well that they put on in manufacturing. That's probably where the vent tubing is during the molding process. They cut this out, and here's the screen right here. I put it on here, but because I'm not running a down spigot, I'm running this chain mesh right here that comes off of my gutter. It runs down just like this. I can't put that on there, so I'm just gonna probably leave this off. I don't think I'm gonna leave it on there. I love the fact that it's a flat back barrel. Look how nice it goes up against there. Oh, by the way, they sell a base for this, but I just went and got me a couple of center blocks, and you see how it looks right there. I actually might go a little higher with it. You wanna be at least 1 foot to 2 foot off of the ground. That way you can get like a watering pot or something up under it and then turn it on and off and get to it. And you know what, it is winter time, but I want to go ahead and get it set up so that way I've got my water ready. And then also in the event of the water or a storm or something out, we have drinking water right here. I just filter it out, and then I got drinking water. So this is something I recommend for everybody at a very affordable cost. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on a flat back rain barrel. See y'all in the next video.